Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable a Snapchat location. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Snapchat. Now from Snapchat, you're going to click on the orbit emoji at the top left corner. Okay. Now from the orbit emoji, you're going to click on the settings over here. Now from the settings, you're going to scroll down a little bit until something called privacy control. Now you're going to scroll down a little bit and a little bit until you see something called see my location over here. Basically right under activity indicator. When you click on see my location, as you can see here, can show how people who can see your location. Okay. Your friends, my friends except only these friends. Basically, who friends you want to see your location. Okay, now if you want to enable or disable the notification your location, basically if Snapchat can access your location or not, you can go out of Snapchat, and then you're going to go access the app info. Okay, and once you access the app info, you're going to go onto something called permissions, and from your permissions you're going to go on location, and then you're going to make it don't allow. If you make it don't allow, Snapchat is never going to access your location. Basically, people and your friends are not going to be able to see where are you on the Snap map. Okay, so this is basically how you can make Snapchat not access your location. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you